Welcome students. Today we are going to discuss common errors in day-to-day communication. I saw the Taj in 1999. I have seen the Taj in 1999. These are two sentences. First one is correct. Second one is incorrect. So, for the action completed in the past at a stated time, simple past and not the present perfect tense should be used. So, the first sentence is correct. I saw the Taj in 1999. I have been attending this course for 2 days. Second sentence is I am attending this course for 2 days. First one is correct. Second one is incorrect. In a specific period or point of time is mentioned, present perfect continuous tense should be used. So, if a specific period or point of time is mentioned, present perfect continuous tense should be used. So, I have been attending this course for 2 days is correct. The preposition for should be used for the period of time and since is to be used for the point of time. Each boy and each girl has been asked to write a letter. Each boy and each girl have been asked to write a letter. First sentence is correct and second one is incorrect. When two singular nouns are connected by and or and are preceded by each or every, the verb that follows should be in a singular number. So, first sentence is correct. Each boy and each girl has been asked to write a letter. Both she and her brother are intelligent. Second sentence is she and her brother both are intelligent. First sentence is correct and second one is incorrect. Both should precede the two nouns or adjectives under consideration. So, both she and her brother are intelligent. This sentence is correct. Both Riya and Priya have performed well in exams. Both Riya as well as Priya have performed well in exams. First sentence is correct and second one is incorrect. Both and as well as cannot be used in the same sentence. In case of as well as, the verb agrees with the subject that occurs first. So, first sentence is correct. Both Riya and Priya have performed well in exams. The train had steamed off before I reached the station. The train steamed off before I reached the station. First sentence is correct and second sentence is incorrect. In case of two actions, both completed in the past, one after the other, the action completed first should be expressed in the past perfect tense and the action completed later should be put in the simple past tense. So, the first sentence is correct. The train had steamed off before I reached the station. If I go to Delhi, I shall meet your brother. If I shall go to Delhi, I shall meet your brother. First sentence is correct and second one is incorrect. In case of conditional sentences, future tense should not be used in both the clauses. The first clause should be put in the present tense. So, if I go to Delhi, I shall meet your brother. This one is the correct sentence. He said that his brother was not coming. He said that his brother is not coming. First sentence is correct. He said that his brother was not coming. When the principal clause is in the past tense, the subordinate clause should also be in the past tense, unless it expresses some universal truth or historical fact. So first sentence is correct. This is again very important sentence. One must keep one's word. One must keep his word. First one is correct and second one is incorrect. When one is the subject, it should be followed by its own possessive, that is one's, and not by his or her, which are the possessive cases of he and she. So first sentence is correct. One must keep one's word. You, he, and I shall go to the movie together. I, you, and he shall go to the movie together. First one is correct and second one is incorrect. You, he, and I shall go to the movie together. This is correct sentence. The correct sequence of pronouns in a sentence is second person, third person, and first person. Always remember second person, third person, and first person. 2, 3, 1. You, he, and I shall go to the movie together. He will neither go nor send his brother to attend the function. Neither he will go nor will send his brother to attend the function. First sentence is correct and second one is incorrect. Alternating conjunctions neither nor and either or should be used where there is alternation. So first sentence is correct. He will neither go nor send his brother to attend the function. The two brothers help each other in studies. The two brothers help one another in studies. First one is correct. The two brothers help each other in studies. This is correct sentence. Two brothers help one another in studies. This is incorrect. Each other is used for two person or things. For more than two person, one another should be used. In the same way, between should be used for two and among for more than two. Thank you very much. These are some common errors in day-to-day communication.